December 2021, where we had our second special meeting, and we had one of the most generous Toastmaster, an amazing educator, a long life learner, Fursey Gotuaco. Now, Fursey is in China at the moment, that's why he couldn't join us today. But of course, everybody loves Fursey, and Fursey has been giving to our district so many wonderful professional workshops. And today, Ioanna Margaroni will be speaking for him. So I would like to call upon Ioanna Margaroni, a pitch of inspiration. A pitch of inspiration for Fursey Gotuaco, Ioanna Margaroni.
Every single one of us has the ability to speak with greatness. Dear Fursey, this was one of the phrases that you used in December 2021 when you were a guest in our club and you delivered a workshop. Its title was Let's Get Spicy, and you showed us how to spice our speeches up with a dash of gestures, seasoning of language, and some sprinkles of voice dynamics. And you also used some very tasty props. We sure had a great recipe. Your presentation was truly a feast for the eyes, for the ears, and for every sense. But the first time that we welcomed you was about a year ago in June 2021 in a meeting themed, You Are Reaching for the Moon, or rather, the moon is reaching for you. And you delivered an amazing, a beautiful table topic speech. What I love about you is that you are cooking, I meant speaking from the heart, and you are warming people's hearts. When you are on stage, you somehow make it feel grander, like that of an ancient theater, an open theater, and you unfold magic and inspiration. Somehow in 2022, I was so fortunate to get 1 hour of mentoring from you. And I am so grateful for this heartful connection. Through every meeting of ours, what you have given me is the invitation to take the risk and embody more of who I am as a speaker. Dear Fursey, thank you so much for your presence in our life, in Toastmasters, in our club. I wish you a joyful path ahead, where you will be able to touch even more people's hearts and remind them that they are meant to speak with greatness. Back to you, Madam Toastmaster.